Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths, lesson 2, measurements. This is the continuation of the previous video. Now I explain exercise 2.4, 6th sum. 6th one, a ground is in the form of isosceles trapezium with parallel sides measuring 42 meter and 36 meter long. The distance between the parallel sides is 30 meter. The distance between the parallel sides already we know height. So find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 135 per square meter. Parallel sides of the trapezium, A is equal to 42 meter, B is equal to 36 meter given, and also height is equal to 30 meter. So first we find the area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium formula, area of the trapezium is equal to half into multiply with height into sum of the two parallel sides squaring it. Here height is equal to 30 meter multiply with two parallel side is 42 plus 36 meter. So we adding now 1 by 2 multiply with 30, 42 plus 36 is equal to 78. So simplify now, 2 ones are 2, 39 twos are 78. So we multiply 30 into 39, we have the area is equal to 30 into 39. So 39 we multiply with 30, 0 into 9 0, 0 into 3 0, 3 9s are 27, remainder 2, 3 3s are 9. So 1170, 1170 meter square. So total area of the trapezium is equal to 1170 meter square. This is the area. So the cost of leveling given 1 meter square is equal to rupees 135. We have the total area 1170. So we find cost of leveling 1170 meter square is equal to, we multiply 1170 into 135. So we multiply now 1170 multiply with 135, 50, 0, 5 sevens are 35, remainder 3, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 ones are 5. The second number multiply with 3 into 0, 0, 3 sevens are 21, remainder 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, then 3 ones are 3. So multiply the number in 1 into 0, 0, 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 9. So adding now 0, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 17, 5, 1. So 1,57,950. So we multiply 1170 multiply with 135. We have 1,57,950. So therefore the cost of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 1,57,950. The 8th sum, if the base and height of a parallelogram are in the ratio 7:3, the base is 7, then height is 3. And the height is 45 centimeter, then find the area of the parallelogram. So, given the ratio of the base and height is 7:3. So, we let height already given 45 centimeter. So, we find in the base, let x 7x centimeter. Then height is equal to 3x centimeter. So, we find the x already given, height is equal to 45 centimeter. So 3x is equal to 45 centimeter because the 2 is height. Then 3x is equal to 45. Then x is equal to 45 divided by 3. In the multiply number, go that side, division. So divided 3 into 45. We have 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we find base is equal to 7x given. So substitute the x value in base. So 7 into 15. We have 15 sevens are 105 centimeter. So base is equal to 105 centimeter. Height is equal to 45 centimeter. So we find the area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram, already we know the formula, base into height square units. In base is equal to 105 multiply with height is equal to 45. So now we multiply with 105 multiply in 45. So 105 in multiply with 45. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. Then 2. 1 4s are 4. So adding now 5, 2, 7, 4. So 4725 centimeter square. So 4725 centimeter square. So we find the area of the parallelogram in the given sum is equal to 4725 centimeter square. This is the 8th one answer. In the 9th sum, find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AC is given 24 centimeter. Then BE is DF. Then this is DF. This is BE. Is given 8 centimeter. So in a parallelogram, we split into two triangles. Here ABC is one triangle. Then ADC. This is ADC is the another one triangle. So the total area of the parallelogram, then we find in first the area of the triangle ABC. First to find this area. Then second find this triangle area. So area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to, we have area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Already we know the formula for area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height square units. Already we know the area of the triangle. So first we find the area of the triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 multiply with Here base is equal to 24 centimeter, then height is equal to 8 centimeter. So we simplify into two table, 1 2s are 2, 12 2s are 24, then 12 8s are 96 centimeter square. So area of the triangle ABC equal to, we have 96 centimeter square. Next we find the another one triangle, area of the triangle ADC. So this also we have the formula 1 by 2 multiply with base is equal to, in triangle AC equal to base 24 centimeter, then height is equal to 8 centimeter. This simplify into two table, 12 2s are 24, then 12 into 8, 96 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle ADC equal to 96 centimeter square. So the total area is area of the parallelogram. ABCD is equal to, area of the triangle ABC is 96 centimeter square plus area of the triangle ADC is equal to 96 centimeter square. So adding the two area, 96 plus 96, 6 plus 6 12, remainder 1, 9 plus 9 18, so 192. So we have 192 centimeter square. So the area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to 192 centimeter square. So dear students, today we learnt about some word problems for the shapes trapezium and parallelogram. So today we find the area, we remember the area of the shapes for parallelogram and trapezium. So area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into sum of the two parallel sides, and area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. So thank you.